the gray sky. Raindrops whisper softly in a time where wounds run deep. In the cold wind, memories scatter on the wet street. The remnants of love remain. Tears flow with the rain, running in the sleigh. In the depths of my heart, your scent lingers on. The sky feels heavy, the whole world is silent. Those tender days now turn into a painful song. Shadows that cannot be found, your vanished smile in the autumn rain. I still long for you. Tears flow with the rain, running in the sleigh. In the depths of my heart, your scent lingers on. The sky feels heavy, the whole world is silent. Those tender days now turn into a painful song. Shadows that cannot be found, your vanished smile in the autumn rain. I still long for you. Tears flow with the rain, running in the sleigh. In the depths of my heart, your scent lingers on. The sky feels heavy, the whole world is silent. Those tender days now turn into a painful song. The darkness like fragments of memories. In the rainy autumn, I call out your name. Tears flow with the rain.